let me see if I can help you out just a little bit here, Brianna. This is a super simple design, super easy to recreate. There's no need to buy an SVG or anything like that. It's basically just a rectangle. So I've got a square out of Design Space, and my shape's right here. I'm going to unlock it. And that one that you have there is a little bit rectangular. So we're just going to go with that. Not much, just a little bit. And I'm going to lock it back. I'm going to duplicate this, and it looks like the outer box is about a 1/2 inch difference. So I'm just going to take a 1/2 inch off of this, off of each side. I'm going to unlock it so that I know that it stays the proportion I want. So I'm going to take that and make it a 1. I'm going to take this right here, make that a 1. So now it's a 1/2 inch smaller, should be. Oops, I didn't do that right. Lock it back. There we go. And now that one's kind of centered up. And you can make it whatever size border you want. Okay, we're just going to align and center it. And we're going to slice. We only have 2 layers selected, so we can slice. And we're just going to get rid of the center. I'm going to hold 1 because one of the words is sliced into another block. So we're just going to bring this right here. That looks good. So we want dirty 30. So we're going to go and get our text, and we're going to type in caps, and probably want to bold that up. Actually, oops, I went to writing, not bold. That looks pretty close to what's in there. I kind of like impact font, so I'm going to select impact. I think it would look a little bit better. Nope, it's not as close to the font that you had, so I'm just going to undo and change that back to a bold. So there we go, got the word dirty, and we're going to stretch it, and I'm going to make it the same width as this block. And so that block is, let's just say 8.1 or 8.042, doesn't matter. There we go. So now I have that in the right size. Now I'm going to come down here and type 3RD dash, take that space out, dash Y. And I might need to make my box just a little bit bigger, but that's okay. I'm going to align, and I'm going to align them center so that they are centered. I want them to be the same size. So I'm going to advance, ungroup to lines, and I'm going to make this the same width, 8.042. There we go. So now I have both of those. Let's make this a little bit bigger lengthwise for that height. I'm going to bring this in. We're going to unlock that and make that a little bit larger to accommodate our letters. Keep the size. Actually, I want to make this a little bit bigger. So I want it to be, I don't know, 8.25. Let's go with that. See how that looks. So that the word fits in there. I'm going to lock that back. So then that fits in there. That looks pretty good. I can take the height down just a little bit. So once you have it just like you want it, that looks good to me. I'm going to align, and I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to slice it. Still only had 2 layers selected, so I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to get rid of that. That's all the trash. I'm going to select this block, and I'm going to contour. And I'm going to take out the center and take out that center. Now I have it just like you had it in there. Then we're going to bring this in, and we're going to go over, and you notice contour is not highlighted. So you're going to duplicate that. or actually you don't even have to duplicate it. Weld it, and now you should have contour, and you can take that out, and you have your design. We're going to align those, and we're going to center them horizontally and weld. And now we're going to align center, selecting everything because I have just this separate from my box. We're going to align, center, and weld. And then if you want, of course, you can come in here and you can select it and make it that yellow color. Boom, there it is, you're done. I hope that helped you out, and if you have any questions, please just let me know. I will save this and share it with you, just in case you want that and you don't want to go through the steps to make it, but there's no need to buy an SVG. Plain and simple, quick and easy. I hope you have a great day and you enjoy this video.